Hi my loves, welcome back to the channel. So today's video I'm going to be showing you how I made this delicious egg roll. Guys, this is so simple to make, and yes, everyone that tested it was like I should start an egg roll business. But today I'm going to show you my recipe. So I'm using 2 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of milk, and 1 egg, and then a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of baking soda, and a little bit of salt, the salt that's in here. So I'm going to add in my dry ingredient first, add in my salt, my baking powder, my sugar, and then I gave it a stir. After giving it a stir, the next thing you want to do is add your butter. So for the butter, I used 1.5 tablespoon of butter. Guys, this egg roll was so fluffy. My mom was like, why is it so different from the one we buy? That she loves this one so much. And yeah, it depends on how you take your time to do it. You get that, fluffiness. So yeah, I'm adding my butter and I'm going to be using my hand to mix. You want to mix until it forms like crumbs. So you have to mix this, and you have to be patient with making egg roll if you really want to get a very nice fluffy dough or bread. So you have to mix, and after I did that, next I was going to be adding my milk. You don't always have to use liquid milk. You can always use powdered milk. So I'm adding my milk little by little because you don't want to overpour it. If you overpour it, your dough is going to be extremely soft, and that's not what you want. You don't want your dough to be soft. You don't want your dough to be strong. You just want your dough to be um in between. So now I added in my 1 egg and I'm stirring this. Next thing, I'm going in with my hands again, and I'm just going to keep on kneading. So this kneading part is the hardest part of it because you are going to knead and knead and knead. I was at this for 10 minutes because that is how you get it um to be fluffy. So I was kneading this, and what you want to do is you want to knead it till it is not sticky anymore, till your hands are no more sticky. And after 10 minutes, this is what I came up with. And then I'm going to cover this and let it sit for 10 minutes. You want the glitter, yeah, everything to combine. So you don't need to put it in any place warm. The weather is cold, so yeah. Next thing, I peeled my boiled egg and I just cut this. We have 5 boiled eggs there. So I'm going to cut this into 5 places. I actually cut it into 6 places, and the last one I used it for a very delicious buns. It was so yummy. So yeah, pardon my hand and pardon the way the video is. It's night. So another thing you want to do is add a little bit of flour in your hand to make it not to be sticky to your hands. So you just want to rub your hands with flour. And yeah, I'm just stretching out the tip. You don't want to stretch out the middle part. So you put in your egg. I think this part, there's no right way to do this because I've seen a lot of people, I've seen when they're making this in batch and they do it different ways. But yeah, I just do mine like this. So you just want to make sure everything is round. I took the edges, put them together, and then made sure everything was just secure, because if you fry it, if it's not secure and you fry it, the dough is going to open up and it's going to separate from the egg. So yeah, I've done 3 and I'm 4, and I'm going to do the last one. While this was going on, I've already put my oil on fire, and yeah, you need lots of oil, but yeah, I did not use lots of oil. So you just want to put it, and I put 2. This pot could contain 3, but I put 2 because you don't want to overcrowd your pot. And after it was brown, I brought it out. And guys, this is it. I had to cut that one too. And it was so fluffy. Like guys, it was really so yummy. You know that kind of egg roll that you eat and you want more? This was it. You can see how fluffy it is. Can you see that, guys? It was so delicious. I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave your comment below. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video.